Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the AJW part number Ux1A. This is a shower curtain rod. The Ux1, actually refers to the fact that this item is a piece of 1-inch diameter, 18 gauge stainless steel. 1-inch diameter, 18 gauge thickness. I don't know what that is. I don't know, maybe 45 thousandths, I'm guessing, as to, I don't recall. 18 gauge solid stainless. Pardon me, it's all stainless base material. It's obviously not solid. That magnet will attest to the fact that it's not ferrous. Brushed finish, and that's the Ux1 in this part number. There is a link below this video to the product brochure that will allow us to review this grab bar. It'll be near it is actually, in fact, on the last page. Ux1, 1-inch diameter. Right. 1-inch diameter. Standard lengths, 3 foot, 3'6", 4 foot, 5 foot, 6 foot. The Ux2 would be 1.25 inch diameter. They're both equally common, but I know that we sell more 1.25 inch, just for whatever that's worth. Now the A in the part number specifically refers to the flange type, and that is what is called a concealed mount. The fasteners are certainly concealed, that's for sure. If you look at that product brochure catalog, you'll see the B and the C version as well, where the flanges change. The A is nice, not as common as the B. The B is more common, but the A is super elegant. It's a lot nicer looking. So the way that this works is you've got these polished chrome, solid brass plated flanges. You've got your threaded disc, and they're both identical. You'll mount that down to the wall, and you'll have these slid over your installation. And then once you've got the bar placed in between both of them, you'll slide this down, and you'll tighten it up, and that's your installation. A little set screw to keep that in place. So the question becomes, what is your rough opening, or your actual cut length? So these discs are 0.315 thick. 0.315 thick, so that times 2, 0.63, so now you're at 5/8. I might be awfully tempted to make my bar 3/4 inch smaller than the rough opening. Fit those two discs in there, slide my two collars over, get it up in place, bring them, thread them, secure them with the set screw, and your job is done. So pretty typical and standard. The balance of that product brochure will show you the Ux1-B, the Ux1-C, the flanges change. Same version with the Ux2, it's just a thicker bar, a greater diameter bar. The wall thickness is the same. We'll also show you the accessory items like a ceiling rod support, very common, and if you've got a long run of these, I would suggest that you order that as well. You've got not only the hooks, but you've got the curtains as well, along with the relatively newer curved type shower rod, which is awfully handy, and I can speak from personal experience that those are really nice to have, especially in tub spaces that are a bit more confined, or if the user is slightly larger than average, where you'd like to have a little more room on the inside of the space, because it draws the curtain out and away from you in the center of the area with no compromise to functionality. The rest of that product brochure will show you the balance of what's called hospitality accessories, because where you see these is in your hospitality, in your hotel, motel applications. Truck stops, I see those there as well, the large truck stops that cater to people who will use all of the services, the rest and relaxation type services that are available. There's also a link to the tech sheet. Probably should have hit that first, but really all it does is give you an overview of what we've already discussed. In terms of the rod diameter and the A-type flange that's there, the mount type. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can review not only all of the AJW products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website as well as a link to the full product catalog. I would suggest that you review the AJW product catalog because you're going to find, in my experience, a confluence of very good value and very good quality backed by very good responsive people who just, hopefully that's us too, but it's AJW is who I'm referring to in that context. Prompt, reliable, predictable, dependable shipping lead times, things of that nature. So we appreciate what they do for us, and they do it all the time. They do it every day. They're great at it. If you have any questions on the Ajw Ux1 A shower curtain rod assembly with an A-type flange, or any other AJW product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.